Kitchen 101. In this video, we'll look at popular white wines and give you the information you need to make the best selections. White wines can be dry, semi-dry, or sweet. With dry wines, all the grape sugar has been converted to alcohol during fermentation, while a sweeter wine still has some residual sugar. Likewise, wines can be light, medium, or full-bodied, which refers to their complexity and richness of flavors in the mouth. Let's start with Chardonnay. The Chardonnay grape is grown around the world, wherever wine is produced. Because of these varied geographies, its flavors can range from light and elegant to full-bodied and buttery. Pair it with lighter, more delicate foods such as grilled fish, crab, and pasta with spring vegetables. Pinot Grigio offers a light-bodied, dry, yet zesty profile, carried by notes of lemon, lime, and honeysuckle. Serve it with seafood and pasta dishes, vegetarian foods, fish, and vegetables. Sauvignon Blanc is often referred to as grassy due to its high acidity and low sugar. It's a nice, crisp complement to everything from goat cheese and asparagus to artichokes, oysters, and delicate fish. Rieslings are flowery, aromatic wines. They typically have higher acidity levels and refreshing notes of apples, apricots, and pears. German and California Rieslings tend to be sweeter. Selections from France, Austria, and Washington State are usually drier. Rieslings pair especially well with spicy Indian, Thai, and Mexican fare. Moscato is a sweet Italian wine. In fact, it's so sweet that it's typically thought of as a dessert wine. Moscatos feature low acidity and are bursting with peach, apricot, orange, and other fruit flavors, along with delicate floral notes. Its sweet flavor can tame the heat of spicy Asian dishes and also pairs well with cheeses, charcuterie, and antipastos. Finally, when storing white wines, the ideal temperature is around 55 degrees. Keep them away from light and tilt them on their sides to keep the corks from drying out. Serve the wines chilled at between 45 and 50 degrees. And of course, as with all alcohol, please enjoy your white wines responsibly. See you next time!